Hello students, let's discuss a multiple choice question on other information. You guys know what is other information? Other information is information that is included in the entity's annual report. This information may be financial or non-financial. This information is other than the financial statements and the auditor's report. Now, what's the question? If the auditor concludes that a material misstatement exists in other information, and this other information is obtained after the date of the auditor's report, and the other information is not corrected after communicating with those charged with governance, the auditor may take the following actions, except what? So you come to know of material misstatement in other information, and you come to know after the date of the auditor's report. You inform management and those charged with governance, ask them to correct, they do not correct. You should do all of these, except what? What is not really needed? What is not required? You have four options here, four answer options. Let's check these options. Option A, provide a new or amended auditor's report to management. So you are the auditor and you may consider providing a new auditor's report or an amended auditor's report and request management to provide this new report or the changed report to anyone who has received the financial statement and the auditor's report already. So anyone who has already received the auditor's report and the financial statements should be provided with the new report. You ask management to do that. So you provide a new report and ask management to provide this new report to anyone in receipt of the financial statements and the auditor's report. Yes, this you may do. All right. Option B. Seek to bring the material misstatement of the other information to the attention of known users of the financial statements and the auditor's report. Yes, you would take steps to bring the material misstatement of the other information to the attention of users of the financial statements. You would take steps to bring this misstatement to the attention of users of the financial statements and the auditor's report. Yes, you would certainly do that. Option C, communicate with the regulator or relevant professional body about the uncorrected material misstatement. Yes, you may consider communicating this uncorrected material misstatement to regulatory bodies or enforcement authorities or professional bodies. Yes, you may consider communicating that. Dual date the report, option D. You won't do that. Dual dating the report in such a case is not the right step. No, you consider dual dating the report in case of a subsequently discovered fact. So you come to know about subsequently discovered fact before the report release date. Because of this subsequently discovered fact, financial statements require revision. You ask management to revise the financial statements and management revises the financial statements. Now, in such a case, you may consider dual dating the report. You may consider dual dating the report in such a case. But you would not dual date the report if there is a material misstatement in other information and that remains uncorrected. You would not dual date the report. So you would do all of these options A, B, C, but you would not dual date the report. This is your answer. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye. Take care.